a chef, 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 cooking tasty food, serving soups and bread. I'm a teacher, 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 helping kids to learn books and stories too. I'm a doctor, 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 helping you feel fine, smiles and hearts I check. Firefighter, I'm a firefighter, brave and quick, you see. Water saves the town. I'm a pilot, flying through the sky, zooming very high. I'm a farmer, planting seeds with care, sharing fruits and milk. I'm an artist, painting bright and bold, colors everywhere. I'm a builder, hammer, nails and board, building strong and tall. I'm a scientist, I love to test and try.
Thank you for watching, everyone. For more educational fun-filled rhymes, please visit Brainy TV566. And for bedtime moral stories, please visit Sleepy Tales. Bye-bye.